The Dugard 550 is the smallest machine in our range of high-specification, cost-effective VMCs at Dugard. It's a range of compact, sturdy machining centres, also including 760, 1000 and 1350 models. It has an X-axis traverse of 550mm, Y-axis traverse of 440mm and Z-axis traverse of 460mm. Table size is 560 by 380mm, with a loading capacity of 432 kilograms, and the spindle nose to table surface measurement is 75 to 535mm. Spindle speed range is 20 to 11,000 RPM with standard BT40 taper and optional cat flange. Cutting feed rate is 15 metres a minute on all axes. Rapids are 36 metres a minute on X and Y and 30 metres a minute on Z. There is a 16-station drum-type tool changer. The maximum tool diameter is 75mm, tool length is 250mm, tool weight is 7 kilograms, and chip-to-chip tool change time is 2.2 seconds. The Dugard 550 features a pneumatic counterbalance head as standard. Other standard equipment includes rigid tapping, helical interpolation, a high-power coolant system and a full set of pull studs. Control options on the 550 are Fanuc OIMF, Siemens 828D and Mitsubishi M80. Other options include 20-bar through spindle coolant, 20-station bidirectional twin-arm automatic tool changer, swerve conveyor and bin, 4th axis interface, Renishaw spindle probe and Renishaw setting probe. The Dugard 550 has a high-quality, heavy cast-iron construction with fully enclosed guarding and weighs in at 2,850 kilograms. For more information, please go to our website, dugard.com.